Namaste, Tej programmer. Today we'll see how we can calculate the area of the triangle. Here the sides, three sides. So let's see. Like I will write let mm, a equal. This is one side. So like I am taking like 5. Okay, and another comma. Another will be okay. Another side will be 6, and another side will be C will be 7. Yeah, that's it. So how can we calculate? So how can we calculate? For this, we need half of the range. This is the range. Okay, this is the range, and we need of this like half by 2. Okay, so I will store these things in the s as a variable like a half of range. So our program almost ready. So let we need like calculate the area of the triangle. So let's I am taking area. So area equal. So for this we need like square root. So for that in the JavaScript one function is there, math dot square root. Okay, square root here. So it is the square root. So for that we need half range into, sorry, it will be into, and up that we have to do this half range minus a, half range minus b, like half range minus a, like I'm telling here, half range minus a into, sorry, it will be into uh, half range minus b into half range minus c. Yeah, that is, and here will be the semicolon. So I'll console this area. So the area. So let's run this. Yeah, you can see if I change this, like if I change this, so what will be the answer? Sorry, what's happened? Then means not a number. 7. Yeah, it's taking, but why it is not taking? Hmm, why it is not taking? Um, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, actually, he is considering this kind of things like if I give again 4, like it will also not taking like nan. He is like considering like a 2 2 2 1 1 1. So yeah, so I think it's enough for today's. Yeah, I'll see you next video. Yeah.